Lok Sabha MP Dr. Angomcha BIMOL said that filing RTIs to know how MP local area development MPLAD funds are utilized is a positive and highly appreciable step as it strengthens transparency and accountability in governance. He made the remarks while responding to queries from media persons on the sidelines of calendar release program of Sahitya Thaupangluk organized under the banner Living Legends of Manipur, held at DIPR Auditorium, Nityai Pachatek today. Referring to an RTI filed by a social activist on January 2 regarding the utilization of Rs 5 crore under the MPLAD fund, Dr. BIMOL stated that the fund is meant for various welfare and development works for the people. He asserted that if MPLAD funds are utilized properly, it would lead to real development and help address shortages in different sectors across the state. The MP emphasized that it is the right and duty of every citizen to ask where public funds allotted to MPs and MLAs are being utilized. He added that filing RTIs enhances transparency and public trust and opined that more RTIs should be filed, while cautioning that the process should not be misused as a politically motivated action. The program was also attended by former Dean of Manipur University, Professor and Aruna, Sahitya Thaupangluk Chief Patron, R.K. Buddhimanta. On the occasion, MP Dr. BIMOL formally released the Living Legends of Manipur calendar 2026.
Educated over moment ne haitar ko chahi mada MP mada pi se crore manga sina kondoi sina assembly constituency kendra kuntrain thoine MLA amam da piri sina crore ani ne chahi amada MP da manga piri ba same mafam se inner Manipur constituency kendra kuntrani thoile sida na crore humfu mari ne crore humfu mari che chahi khudingi thadari ne ba public fund ai pisa na te na local area development fund ai ngom pire isi so ko na dana kari tawdoi no je khanga ne MP na sugum sabore haibama sumain tawbore aina hanganabagi khudong chabama pirakwane. I welcome this RTI and there should be more RTI to us. I welcome, but it should not be like a political gimmick.